It's been a year. It's been a year, actually over a year since the last upload, and me know you miss me because guess what? Me miss you too. Trotters, it's been a while and I am so sorry for this absence. I'm pretty sure you must say I wonder like, what me do? What me do fly? Why am not talk to me? Why am I not getting the updates? And you've been asking yourself all these questions, but I just want you to know that it's not you, it's me. And I just want to say I am sorry. And it not gonna happen again. I promise you, it not gonna happen again. And I do have valid reasons as to why I have been absent. And you're gonna find out. Just stick around like you've been doing for all these years. In that absence from the channel itself, I can say that I was creating still, which is good. So I have loads to upload and I'm working on that, and then you will understand why. I'm just happy to be here doing what I love, and that's just sitting here speaking to you guys, going places and giving you my personal and professional feedback on these things. I'm just happy to be back, guys. This weekend we are at a property which I will not name in this particular clip. I will name that property in the next clip that will follow. And we've done a review on this property as well. So if you've been a member of this channel for the last couple of years, I need to go back and see where that video falls, but it's an old property. The renovations that they have done, it's really nice, and they've completed phase 1 of that renovation, and that's one of the rooms that I'm in. Phase 2 is still being done, and that will be completed in January. When you watch the video that will follow, I checked in yesterday and I shot that at night, so it might be a little dark. I'm not sure yet because I've not watched it. I did mention that I will try to show you a different room category or different room categories, which I was unable to do today because again the property is not yet finished, and to be honest with you, I'd rather show you in its glory when it's completed, and that should be early next year. So we'll do a different walkthrough of different rooms next year. I just want you to watch the old video, and then after you watch this video, and I want you to come back here and I want you to leave your comments and tell me what are your thoughts. And if you've been to this property already, and if you would consider coming back, considering what you're seeing here is new, it's fresh, I like it. Let's just leave it at that. But you'll understand why I think it's a new hotel as it relates to just the review that I've done many years ago. I'm not here long enough to kind of experience everything, but so far the customer service is the same and that kind of stuff. So I'm enjoying my time here thus far. But again, I'm going to wrap this up right now. As usual, just like, comment, and subscribe, and I want you to stay tuned like you have been. You've been loyal, right? You've been loyal, and I want you to keep it that way. And I'm just happy to be back again, as I said before, and we'll touch base early 2023. So watch the next clip, and I will see you guys soon. Big up on yourself, and don't forget to do what? Keep trotting little more. And trotters, now for the reveal of the newly renovated Grand Palladium Jamaica. Isn't this beautiful? For the OG trotters, I'm sure you've already watched that old review that we did many years ago on this property. We did it on the Jamaica side as well as the Lady Hamilton side, and you will appreciate what you're seeing now as it relates to the upgrades. I love this modern look that we're having. I love the colors that they use. It's not overdone as it relates to the decor. It's just tastefully done. As I said, the colors to me, in my opinion, with the beige, the white, and the brown, it gives the space, it makes it feel larger than it really is. Now this is a junior suite, and this is with a king bed, and it's a garden view. I won't go outside because it's pretty dark right now, so you won't appreciate the view. I do believe that you can get this room with a twin bed, and this room typically holds 4 persons. So that could be 2 adults, 2 kids, or 3 adults and a child. Now we have 2 bedside tables as well as 2 bedside lamps, and you have your little reading light right here, so you can just turn it on, and while your partner or your friend or whomever, them can lock off that side and go to bed without you disturbing them. We have over here, we have our sitting area or your living room, and we have a nice sofa which is also a pull-out bed, and you have 2 chairs right here and a table. But again, I like what's going on over here with the lamps, and you have a little lamp right here with 2 pictures on the wall. Now we're gonna go over here, and this is where your entertainment area, where you have your TV. If you notice, the TV is in a box. I was touching it. It would appear that you are able to pull it out and tilt it where you are able to watch the TV from this section of the room, or clearly while you're on the bed. So that is pretty neat. You can work from home. This is clearly a little office where you have your little chair and your lamp, so you can put in the work even at night. And then we're going to take a look at the minibar. Okay, so we have waters, sodas and beers, and let's see what's behind door number 2. That's just storage area. And door number 3, okay, cool. You have your little coffee maker as well as your teas and coffee, and you have 2 cups. This is where you enter from. I like the fact that you have a nice big mirror. And then we're gonna go and check out the closet and storage area, which we have loads of. You have your laundry bags, you have your safe and overhead storage. On this side as well, you can put your luggage along the floor area. You have your iron and your iron and storage. Now let's take a look in the bathroom. And the first stop is the shower. I love the shower. As I said, it's very minimalistic in terms of the decor, as well as I like the tiles that they use in here. And shower head, and you have your secondary shower as well. And your in-room amenities, you have your shower gel, shampoo and conditioner. And that is your throne with some level of privacy right here. And this is your sink area with your little vanity mirror, as well as your large mirror to do your makeup and all that kind of stuff. And then you have your towels along here, as well as your in-room amenities. I believe this is toothpaste. I was checking them out. I need to pull it to see what is in each of them. And you have a body lotion, and then you have 2 glass here, and then you have your jacuzzi. Very nice, so you can come here, relax, soak and all them things, and you have 3 nice mirrors to look at yourself. With that said, that's it. We will try to look at another category tomorrow. I'm working on that, so you are able to see something else, but this is my room. And I hope you like and appreciate it. Leave those comments and tell me what do you think about the renovations. All right, so see you in a minute.